Look who's making their appearance. Her first appearance. Never been out before.
She doesn't want to come out.
Yeah, she's so snuggled up.
Happy with her home.
She's like, why are you bothering me? You never bothered with me before. Ladies and gentlemen, she has no name, but she's making her first appearance today. Happy anniversary, baby.
Thank you. Look how pretty she is.
Oh, yeah.
So pretty.
Yep. Another one. So check it. Today's a big day for me. Today is my anniversary of 18 years with No Drama Baby Mama. Now, ordinarily I would not vlog something like this, but it just feels right because this is the longest relationship I ever been in. So I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride with me, and I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of how I get down. So I guess this is part of what makes my life a movie. But 18 very, very happy years with No Drama Baby Mama. Let's go. Had to make a quick stop because it's about to go down, all the way down. Thank you. Happy 18th anniversary, Mommy. I'm looking forward to another 118 years with you. Right on time.
Thank you. You're so welcome. Are you still working on? Yeah, I'm still working on this one. You can pick that one. Thank you. Cheers.
So what am I ordering? I'm gonna wait to taste yours.
Yes.
That one. What is this?
Yeah, that's why I want to try it. But he's not into the, you're not into these. You might like this one. It's sweeter than the one I had last time.
So, we've been together for 18 years. And, well, I ain't good with speeches, so let me just give her gift. Goodness gracious. Car keys. Happy anniversary, Mommy.
Thank you, baby.
I love you.
I love you too. Oh, wow. Oh, love it.
You better. Take that off.
We'll switch my other one.
How about that? Still going. Well, for me, this is a Shirley Temple. You know, for me. For her? I don't know what this, oh, this is water, huh? Oh, okay, this is water, and that is from upstairs.
All for you.
Thank you, sir.
This part of this.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Thank you. So I just got a lesson on dry steak and wet steak. This one is dry, and I'm a little tipsy. This is why I don't drink, but apparently it's really good, and I'll leave it at that. But the lobster mac and cheese is delivered inside of a lobster, which is really different. Everybody knows what asparagus looks like. And this is Dover sole. I've never had this before, so we're gonna figure out how this tastes. But everything smells really good. The presentation is very, very good, and I'm really enjoying myself on my 18th anniversary. Bomber clock! This hallway is everything.
Yeah, it's right.
Oh, this is our room?
Oh, wait. 26.
Oh, you going in other people's rooms? What?
I didn't know.
You that tipsy?
Shoot.
Oh, you passed it.
Yeah, it's because the door, the numbers are in the little thing.
Oh, then you got the double doors. You got the corny room. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, how do you turn on the light? There we go. Oh, snap.
Okay. Wow.
Ooh. Sexy time. But yeah, as I was saying, man, how fly is this hallway? I like this carpet. It might be a little psychedelic for some of y'all, but for me, I like these colors. I like the navy blue and the tannish goldish, you know, that plays off of the gold tiles. This is fly. And then, you know, the navy blue wallpaper is like, this is fly. This is fly. And then the fire extinguisher compartment in gold. This is really nice. This is super nice. I like this. I like this. So we're gonna leave all this stuff here and go down to the car and get everything, get all the bags and everything. But how fly is this hallway, y'all? Yo, this is fly. This is fly. Oh yeah, this is dope. Elevators will be right there. Oh, I'm about to chop you up now. What the ass? Whatever. All right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a little tipsy, forgive me. I don't ordinarily drink, but it's my 18th anniversary, so I had a little taste. So this is the room. These, I don't know what the motherboard, I don't know, but it's fly. Nice TV right there, nice TV right there. For extra charge, you can have rose petals and tea lights on the floor. This is just fly. This is fly. Let me take this mask off in case I sound a little muffled. I couldn't tell you where we are in terms of downtown because I don't hang out down here a lot. But I guess we're on Main Street. That's the parking lot right there. Nice view though, nice view. Anyhow, this is, I guess, the little lounge area, living room. And this is the bedroom. And rose petals on the bed, another TV. I apologize for the darkness. I should have put the light on. I should have thought about that, but that's what happens when you're tipsy. Bathroom, all marble. Mirror with the backlight. Very nice. The commode. You know what goes down in there. No pun intended. And the shower. I love showers. I love the finishes on this shower. I don't know if it's brass or rose gold. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments. With a little bench. This is really, really nice. Very classy, very elegant. In my opinion anyway. You know, you guys might be, you know, more fancy than I am. So anyway, it's sexy time. I gotta go. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste